Hello, dear friends. Now, the next topic after the acceleration is distance time graph for uniform motion. Distance time graph for uniform motion. Uniform motion we have studied, that is, what is uniform motion? If an object cover equal distance in equal time of interval, that is called uniform motion. Now you can see this observation table here. Time in seconds and distance in meter. Suppose a car is running and cover a distance in meter, or any other object, an object cover a distance in a second, it is given. So at the beginning, when the object is not moving, means it is in rest position, its initial velocity is always 0. So time also 0, there is no time. So at the beginning 0 second, 0 distance covered. But you can see in the next, after 10 second, object cover 15 meter distance. Again after 10 second, object cover again 15 meter. 15, that is 30. Again in next 10 second, the object cover again 15. So 13 plus 15, 45. So in this way, after 70 seconds, the object covers a total distance 105 meter. So let us plot this graph. This is the graph. Take the time along x-axis. This is the time in second along x-axis. And this is the distance along y-axis. Now plot this graph. What will the nature of the graph? You just find out. 0 at 0 second. Yes. 0 distance. Now see next second, after 10 second, object cover a distance of 15 meter. Suppose this is the 10 second and 15 will become 0 to 20, here 15 below 20. So this is the 20. Yes, this is the distance covered. Now again in 10 means 20 second, object cover 30 meter distance. So this is the 30. Then next 30, it covers a distance of 45 meter. Next 40 meter, it cover distance 60 meter. 40 second, 60 meter. 50 second covers a distance of 75 meter. 60 second, it covers a distance of 90 meter. And 70 second, after 70 second, it covers a distance of 105, like this. So if we draw a line passing through these points, mark these points. If we draw a line, you will see this line graph is a straight line, and which is passing through the origin from 0. So the nature of the graph is a straight line. So if the nature of the graph is a straight line graph passing to the origin, then we must clear that the motion is a uniform motion of the object. So what is this motion? Uniform motion of an object. So in this way, we can plot a graph and we can show how uniform motion graph nature appears a straight line. Otherwise, if your graph is not a straight line, then you clear it. This is not uniform motion. So, plot this graph on a graph paper on same observation, or you can change the observation. But the equal distance and equal time interval should be there. And just find out, judge your graph will be straight line or not. So, it is a uniform motion. The graph is of straight line. So plot this graph and you understand this topic. Okay, thank you.